Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your YouTube channel's link to your friend. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone and after then you will see an interface like this. Normally, click on the bottom right corner's profile icon and then click on the View Channel option. And here on the top right corner, you will get a 3-dot bar. Just choose it, choose share, and then choose copy link. And you will get an URL or link to share. For example, I want to share this link with one of my friends on WhatsApp. So I'm gonna send it to this friend. So I'm opening the conversation, long pressing on it, and choosing paste. And if I send the URL, so this is my channel's URL. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to share your YouTube channel's link to your friend. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.